Hi everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about the SODUKU shelves. These are floating shelves and they come in a 2-pack. So you can stack them on top of each other, you can stack them next to each other, whichever is going to work best for you and your space. They also come with this towel rack that you can mount underneath it. So you can hang a towel, hang anything that you need if you're using it in the bathroom, maybe a hand towel. I bought these for my camp trailer. I'm going to hang them in there for like in my kitchen for spice racks. This would be great in a kitchen. Like I said, bathroom. I'm actually thinking about getting a second set for my home so I can hang them above the toilet and maybe keep toilet paper rolls on them. They are 16 and a half inches long and then 5.8 inches deep. So they do hold quite a bit of space, or quite a bit of things for a small space. They will hold up to 30 pounds, so the steel is really heavy duty and really sturdy. This is solid wood and it has a stained pine finish, so it kind of has that rustic look. I think if you are in the market for something like this, if you're wanting something in your bathroom or your kitchen, and if you want something water resistant, which these are, I would highly recommend this product. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you.